Since 1980, Pacific Domes has been designing award-winning shelters that are engineered to be energy efficient, easy to erect, and exceptionally durable. As the leading manufacturer of geodesic domes, we are committed to the most efficient and elegant architectural solutions. There are limitless options when it comes to geodesic dome uses. Eco-living domes, or ecodomes, are nature's perfect structure and have been built all around the world in different climate conditions. They are safe in high winds, heavy snows, and earthquakes, making them a durable and unique housing alternative. Perfect for guest accommodations, our eco-living domes make great spaces to host Airbnb guests. Geodesic Dome's unique design makes them easy to transport while offering limitless design opportunities. Wildly successful eco-resorts around the globe are utilizing geodesic domes to offer an extraordinary experience while providing world-class amenities in some of the most breathtaking locations on the planet, ultimately supporting the continued sustainability of this Earth we call home. We frequently hear from our eco-resort clients that their domes are consistently booked throughout the whole year. Glamping is where stunning nature meets modern luxury. Our glamping domes are energy efficient, environmentally friendly, resilient, and versatile. They provide world-class comfort and luxury with a minimal carbon footprint. You can have one of our elegant domes for a fraction of the cost of virtually any other semi-permanent portable structure. Guests love the unique and peaceful feeling of sleeping in our geodesic domes. From African safaris to elevations of 14,000 feet, domes have provided necessary infrastructure for research expeditions. Our studio domes are ideal for artists or musicians that need a space for their sound, vision, and inspired projects. Domes are a perfect harmonious space for a variety of healing arts. The clear-span geodesic structure allows for freedom of movement, while the engineered frame will support yoga swings. Depending on the size of the dome, you can create a personal space of meditation or build a classroom with a number of people. Pacific Dome's relief shelters can also provide long-term, safe, and weatherproof shelters for displaced families.